Today we are going to download and install First of all, you have to open any browser and search here flashaffiliate.com. This website opens in front of you. Now if you look at the top, you will see a small search icon. Click on it and write your mobile name which you want to flash up. To the download and install spflash tool, here click on it. Click on the download button. Here you can see that our spflash tool has started downloading. Now click on your file which is downloaded. Select your creator loading file. The link to this file will be found in the description below. Choose one of them. Connect your mobile with USB cable and your work will be done on a PC. Thank you for watching this video.